If your company uses the Blue Bison HRM system to manage payroll tax, then the tax settings must be configured or updated before any payroll tax is calculated for any pay period in the new tax year. Please ensure that the previous tax year's pay period's payroll have been processed and finalized, and payroll tax quarterly filing PR1 is completed before changing the tax year or tax settings for the new year. So, let's get started. Locate the Tax Jurisdiction Settings page. Navigate to Settings, Payroll, then Tax Settings. Select the jurisdiction and click on the Edit button. It is recommended that you review the tax rates defined under the Employee Tax Rates dropdown. If the rates are not revised, do not change this old selection. It is important to note that the taxable remuneration for 2023 to 2024 has increased from $900,000 to $1 million per person. This means that the additional remuneration earned beyond $1 million is not subject to tax. Add new tax year. Expand the tax year details and click the drop-down. Select Add New and fill in the new year tax details. Put in your preferred description and select the start and end date, which is the 1st of April 2023 to the 31st of March 2024. Determine your company's number of pay periods or periodicity. If the first payday for a bi-weekly paid employee is the 1st of April 2023, then the number of pay periods is 27, otherwise it's 26. If the first payday for a weekly paid employee is the 1st of April 2023, then your number of pay periods is 53, otherwise it's 52. Whether you only have weekly or bi-weekly employees, both fields must be filled out. After you have done this, move over to the Government Tax Calculator template section. In the event that the documents are not available, go to the Bermuda government website or the Blue Bison knowledge base to download them. The PR1 template is typically pre-populated as part of an initial install depending on the current tax year or as part of a Blue Bison update. If this is not available, a copy can be found in our knowledge base once it's released by the tax authority. Review employee and employer tax rates for the relevant tax year. The tax rates for employees and employers may change at the start of the new tax year. Typically, the new rates can be obtained on the government website. Should you need to change the employee tax rates, navigate to Settings, Payroll, then Rate Lookup. Add or edit the employee tax rates on this page, then define the various income slabs and the corresponding tax rates for each one. To change the employer tax rates, go to Settings, Payroll, Tax Settings, and then collapse the Tax Filing Details tabs and fill in all of the necessary information. Before you save all of this data, ensure that the newly created tax year is selected and review the form carefully. Once you have completed the steps, hit the Save button. You should also note that the pay year needs to be closed if it has the same start and end date as the tax year. You can do this by navigating to Payroll and selecting Close Payroll Years. Please visit our knowledge base for more information on this process or reach out to our support team. Thank you so much for using Blue Bison.